The beautiful creatures of our planet with rich array of colors, a widely varying display of plumage and an unmatched ability to compose a symphony of song. Good morning everyone. Let's celebrate the bird week starting from 5th November to 12th November. The Bird Week celebration begins with the birthday of a famous personality Maruti Chintampalli. Maruti Chintampalli is a wildlife conservationist and a Marathi writer from Maharashtra. He has served the longest tenure as a forest officer, that is of 36 years, and he has spent the 65 years in the forest during and after his career. These are the wide variety of books written by the Maruti Chintampalli. He has done remarkable research on forests, wildlife management and bird life. He has received the various awards for his work in Marathi literature and for the conservation of wildlife. The end of Bird Week marked the birth anniversary of famous personality Dr. Salim Ali. Dr. Salim Ali was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist, also referred as the Birdman of India. Dr. Salim Ali was the first Indian to conduct the systematic bird survey across India and wrote several bird books that popularized ornithology in India. These are the variety of books written by the Dr. Salim Ali. His research work is considered highly influential in the development of ornithology. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan, India's third and the second highest civilian honors, respectively. Migrating birds are a culture touchstone. They mark the changes in the season and we look forward to their return time after time. They are also a reminder of the connection and the links between people, as we all are responsible together for caring for and protecting this remarkable species. Unfortunately, migrating birds are now more threatened than ever. With more than 40% of species declining, it's a time for us to remember and celebrate the connection, as well as our shared responsibility to care for these birds and the lands they fly over during the incredible journeys. This remind me the beautiful words by the Dr. Salim Ali. I suppose I have done my bit. It's now up to you young people. So children, let's take a oath to become a responsible young citizen to protect, to conserve the migrating birds and the environment.